Oh, welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you where the downhill assist control system, where the button is. On this model, there is no button, but that is where the DAC, D-A-C, downhill assist control button, that's where it would be if you had that option. And when you press that button, this is what happens. This book, it tells you it activates the downhill assist control. The indicator will come on up here somewhere, and it will look like that right there, that little photo. It will come on to indicate that the downhill assist control system is activated. Pressing the switch again turns the system off. So, if you're wondering, where is the downhill assist control button, and you're going downhill and you're like, oh my goodness, what do I do? I need assistance on these icy hills. What do I do? Then you can just press that button and it'll be right here. And on this side, there's actually AC 120 volt. I think that activates back here, which is right there. I've never actually used that, and then here is like some type of fog light or something, I'm not sure. But anyway, this has been another Matthumanpizza video, and that's where the button is, the DAC. I don't have it. I don't have that feature, and this is a Toyota RAV4. Let me show you. Let me show you. I got my shorts on today because it's warm out, but I think by the time this video releases, it'll be winter time. But it's a Toyota RAV4, and you got the extra tire that's never used ever. The only thing that tire is good for is to make the tire pressure sensor light pop on, because that's how the sensors work. If you have a bunch of sensors, you're going to have one go wrong. So that's just how things are. And vehicles, I mean, they work great. They work amazing. They work really amazing. But so this leaves cleaned up a little bit, but I'm Matthumanpizza, and look at all this dust. Look at that. And then here, I don't use this, but I guess you could put a phone or some rings or a hot dog, stick a hot dog inside there. I don't know. And that's kind of like the same thing as down here. If I put something down here, it gets lost forever. Like I just forget about it. But this is Matthumanpizza, and this is a Toyota RAV4. This is one of the vehicles I love to make videos on and to show you guys. And I don't use my tripod when I'm in here, so I just hold the phone, my smartphone, and it takes wonderful video, in my opinion. But so that's where that switch is. And you guys, I make these videos. I try to upload them every 4 days. So every 4 days, a new video come out, and I have them scheduled. I schedule them out every 4 days, so 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, like whatever the date is, 4 days from there. I usually have them scheduled out months and months and months in advance. At one point, I had my videos scheduled out for 1 year, and it was amazing. I enjoyed that a lot, and I hope to do the same because I want to have content coming at you guys constantly. And I'm inside the interior of this Toyota RAV4, and I am just trying to find buttons and whistles and all kind of features. I might do a video on that right there and just show you guys everything. Every single button and feature that this vehicle has, I'm going to show you and show you how it works and how I think it works. And because I went through hitting the load button and putting the CD in, you have to, it says wait, and then it says load. And there's other, like you hold the brake and you push that button to start, and you got to have your key fob with you, and the air conditioning right here, the AC, the temperature control for the passenger, and temperature control for the driver, and then the defrost for the rear window and the front window, and then have the air, the AC or the heat going towards your face and your feet. This one doesn't have feet, or your feet only, or to your face, or your circle head only, or to your non-existing feet, and defrosting. And then over here, I have yet to use that button, but I don't know what that is. Maybe it turns off their AC or whatever. But heat, wintertime, you put the temperature up and heat will blow out. And then summertime, you hit AC and put the temperature down and you'll get cold air. And here's how you set the clock. It's real easy. Some old cars are really hard to set the clock. Traction control, I'll be using that this winter. I haven't really used it very much. The only thing I can't get to work is the auxiliary. The auxiliary from your phone music to the car music, it doesn't work. I can't get any connect. Like I tried 2 different cables, auxiliary. It was meant for that, but I couldn't get to work. But I don't usually use this button right here, type folder. Text, you can get the CD to display text if it has that feature in a CD. Turn your power on and off for your radio or your CD, and then you can I don't know what that is, tune file. Oh, that's for the radio. Radio, and then I guess you can get XM satellite if you want. But and then you can change tracks by this button, and then here's the blinkers up and down. I don't use this at all. I really don't know what it is. I don't care what it is. This is Bluetooth. Well, yeah, Bluetooth. You can your display here. You can change your odometer or your trip indicator. Volume for the radio. I don't use this. I usually just use this. Okay, that's the volume knob. I only know it when I'm using it. I don't use this crap over here. I don't have this feature, which is this video. The window, electronic window control over here, and then the electronically lock your car and unlock over here, and then your door, speakers, and it's just there's a lot of circles. There's your logo, circle, 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 circle. We love circles. Circle, 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 circle. My knee's a circle. Almost a circle. Bunch of circles. Look at that. Look at all those circles. A bowl. I have a bowl of food. I just ate some little smokies. They're little hot dog thingies. They're not really hot dogs. They're like sausage. I'm not really sure, but mixed with cheese and some bread. That was really good. But yeah, this is a RAV4, and this is a video on the driver assist going downhill. So I want you guys to have a great day. And this is Matthumanpizza. Have a great day. This is my bonus video. So I got a pumpkin, needs cleaned up a little bit. And these 3 pumpkins right here. And there's the RAV4, the main car here, and it's raining, so I don't want to get rain on my car. But it's limited. You see that? You believe that? I don't believe it, but it is. It's limited. It's getting rain. It's raining on us. This is the RAV4. So I'm out here. I'm checking my mail. But that's your RAV4. And I love parking on these river rocks. These river rocks are amazing. They're big, so they don't. If you get gravel, it sinks to the ground, and it doesn't last very long. But the river rocks are amazing. But so that's the RAV4, and it's really cool. All right, it's raining too much, so I gotta